The next thing we looked at is writing expressions for sentences. Okay, so how would I write an expression for a situation? And we looked at progressively harder questions in class, but if I was given the expression, let's say, Samantha is 5 years older than Jimmy, all right, and we wanted to write an expression to represent that. Well, the first thing we have to identify is what is the unknown? What do we not know about this? Well, we know Samantha's 5 years older, so we do know that. But she's 5 years older than Jimmy, but we don't know Jimmy's age. So our unknown is going to be Jimmy's age. Then the second step is we're going to give it a variable. So Jimmy's age, we're going to give it a variable. We're going to call it J. Okay, we're going to give it a letter, assign it a letter, because we don't know what Jimmy's age is. So we're going to represent it with J. And then we're going to put together the letter with the situation. So I have to figure out what's the situation first. So I want to read the sentence. Samantha is 5 years older. 5 years older. How do we represent 5 years older as a math sentence? So 5 years older, is that minus 5? Well, that doesn't make sense because that would be 5 years younger, right? So 5 years older means I'm adding 5 years to someone's age. But we don't know how old Jimmy is, so we're going to add 5 years to whatever Jimmy's age is, which was represented as a letter J. And that would be the expression that we would write. Okay. Another example is Mary has triple the brownies Susie does. Okay. If I was to write this as an expression, first of all, I need to figure out what's the unknown. Well, the unknown is the number of brownies Susie has. We don't know what that is. We're going to call that S. Number of brownies Susie has. Okay. Then we're going to figure out, well, what does it mean that Mary has triple? How do we represent that as a mathematical statement? Well, triple means 3 times, right? If it was double, it'd be twice. But triple means 3 times. So whatever Susie has, we have triple that. And that would be our expression. Now, before we finish that one, though, remember when we multiply a number and a letter together? We put them together. We always write the number first, and we write the letter after, and that's how we would express that particular situation.